Hi guys, I'm Kenine Crooner from Austin here, and today I'm going to be ranting on Joel Armstrong. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. Joel Armstrong? What? More like stupid idiot? Oh my gosh! This user sucks so hard. I hate that user with the super flaming burning passion. I'm going to explain why that I hate that user with the burning passion. Number 1, Joel Armstrong kept on bashing opinions on Lily. And number 2, Joel Armstrong spammed Gaming Master with hearts. And number 3, Joel Armstrong also called Dave the Ovation Man Grandpa. And number 4, Joel Armstrong also calls Nate. Joel Armstrong also calls Dave the Ovation Man a lemonade maker. So do you know who likes this user? No one. And do you know who hates this user? Me, Gaming Master, and Dave the Ovation Man and Spyro the Gamer 2019. And so many other users hate Joel Armstrong with the burning passion. So Joel Armstrong sucks. And so does Dr. Manhole UTTTP DDC. Gaming Master is so many times better than Joel Armstrong. End of rant. If you have any request about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me on my channel.